In this quick guide, I'll show you how to redeem a Moomoo cash coupon effortlessly. Whether you're new to the Moomoo app or just need a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. First, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to do so from your device's app store. Once it's installed, tap to open the app and log into your account if you aren't already. Having trouble logging in? Double-check your credentials to ensure you're using the correct email and password. Once you've successfully logged into the app, your next step is to navigate to the Me section. You'll find this by tapping the Me icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This section serves as your personal hub within the Moomoo app, where you can manage your profile, settings, and, of course, your coupons. After you're in the Me section, look for the option labeled Coupons. Tap on this to view all the coupons available to you. Here, you should see a list of different types of coupons, including cash coupons. Take a moment to browse through them and find the cash coupon you wish to redeem. If you're unsure about which coupon to choose, consider what fits best with your current financial strategy or investment goals. Once you've decided on the cash coupon you want to use, tap on it. This will open up a new screen with detailed instructions on how to redeem it. Make sure to read these instructions carefully. They'll guide you through the redemption process, often requiring you to meet specific conditions or to make certain transactions. Pay close attention to any terms and conditions that might apply, such as minimum investment amounts or expiration dates, to ensure you can fully benefit from the coupon. After following the instructions provided, your cash coupon should be successfully redeemed. You might see a confirmation message on your screen or receive a notification confirming the redemption. If everything checks out, congratulations! You've successfully redeemed your Moomoo cash coupon. And that's it! You've learned how to redeem a Moomoo cash coupon with ease. Remember, coupons can be a great way to enhance your investment experience, so keep an eye on the app for new and exciting offers. If you ever encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Moomoo's customer support for assistance. They're there to help you make the most of your financial journey. Thank you for watching, and happy investing with Moomoo.